Hello everyone, today I'm going to be playing this game called Super Raft, Super Raft Boat VR. It's a really fun game, it's free, multiplayer, all that stuff. So we're going to be checking it out. Okay, so kill 20 pirates to unlock the flintlock. Oh wait, that's the flintlock. This is the normal gun. 20 pirates to unlock the flintlock. Kill 80 sharks to unlock the shotgun. Kill 200 enemies in a single run to get the laser one. Bludger. Okay, let's start I guess. Okay, so we can build our raft and expand it. And, oh, there's a shark over there. Okay, it's a shark. Fish. What is that? Seagull? Oh my gosh. Heck no. Dude, I'm gonna be constantly worrying. Okay, we're gonna build it over here. There are also like perks in this game too. Like that over there. Oh my gosh! Heck no, heck no, heck no. Okay. 1-3, the level we're on right now. 4-1, level 3. Okay, romance novel gives an extra heart. What's that? Venus Blessing, double the bullet, slightly slower firing. Cloud bat spawns enemies that can be shot. Special. Orange, white, okay. Cloud bat spawns clouds above enemies that can be shot to do special effects. Pink heals you. Orange, white's enemies on fire. Black strikes enemies with lightning. Blue freezes enemies. We'll do the cloud bat. 2-1. Okay, start. Okay. Oh heck no! Okay. And I don't really see the enemies. Seagull. We're gonna build out this way a bit. Heck! What is that? Ow! Oh my gosh! Plastic things. What is this one? Whoa! It's all green. Heck no! Heck no! Heck no! Okay. Pirates? Heck no! There's a pirate ship over there. Heck no! Oh gosh. I'm gonna die, I swear. second now, we're gonna die. Oh no! 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 We died, dang it. That was really hard. Kill 69, he died. 3-2. We got killed by drowning. Dang it. Do we unlock any guns? Oh heck no. I didn't check guns. I accidentally started. I know it's later on in the game. I made it to very far. Did I accidentally do tutorial? I did. I accidentally did tutorial again. I know World 4 happens. I know it happens in there, but I'm not gonna say. That was kind of hard. What the? I died. Oh. Okay, start. Okay. Hate that thing right there. We're gonna spin a raft. What is that? Keep building a raft. Keep on building. Oh my gosh! What? Unlock. Oh dang it. Okay. Restart. I guess. Dang, so hard. This game is really hard. Oh my gosh. I don't remember it being. Alright, well, I mean, so one way to do this. Hey, you know what's it? Bullies. You can also just crouch down from this bullies. My main concern is those really big sharks. The really big black sharks. Not the like gray ones right here. The really big black ones. Okay, keep building out! No. That's the reason I hate them too. Because those normal ones, they only just take a piece off. Those big black ones, they just eat everything. They'll eat the whole. Also, they have a lot more health. Why can't I build that back? Oh, it's because that. We'll do big pockets. Don't really go towards corners. Corners are bad. You want to be in the middle. Constantly look around and constantly expand your Don't take advice from me. They're just all spawning in from there. Oh my gosh! Bro, these guys are so annoying. I never noticed they... How do they spawn that much? Oh my gosh. How do they spawn that much? This game's hard, bro. I'm not even gonna lie. This game's really hard. What's happening? Oh, that's what's happening. It's a parade of fish. And there's of course a big one right there already. Why not? If the world was actually this hard to survive in real life in the ocean, it's not. I mean, sharks don't come at you constantly. They might not come after you at all on the boat. Probably won't. They're not even close to this hostile. Bit too quiet. That's why. That is why. Don't want to destroy my raft, but okay. Okay. Straw enemies are slow. How does it make enemies slow? Chance double hot sauce. Ooh, hot sauce. Why did I say it like that? Hot sauce. Hot sauce might be the answer here. Yeah. Okay. Dang. Okay, so your hot sauce is really good. Okay. Back. Hey, no. Gotta worry about rocks here now. Okay, keep expanding a bit. Okay, oh, rock. Okay, nice. Kitty. We're doing the feigns. We got pirates in this one. There's new variants of birds in this one too. This one's pretty dangerous. Next round, there's a boss battle. Heck nah. Anna. Bro, why do you gotta destroy it again? Heck nah. Why do you gotta destroy it again? No, I swear. Okay. I'm so cooked. Okay, build. Boss. Keep shooting. Keep shooting. Keep shooting before they start shooting bombs. Keep shooting them. Keep shooting. 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 Okay. Build out this one. Don't know where you think you're safe. More safe for a little bit. Alright. Yeah. And this one you're always safe for a little bit. But since we I'm just gonna call, wait, can I shoot these guys over there? No, but since we technically beat the boss, we're just gonna call that the end of today's video. Thank you guys all for watching. Good and goodbye.